I'm going out with my friend for lunch today, so get ready with me in an hour. I will try to get ready as fast as I can, and it will be a very like bombshell cherry red plan. I won't use much products today. I'm standing right in front of the mirror. I am starting with the color correcting concealer. I have used a lot of color correcting concealer as I won't use any foundation, so now I will blend it. I have blended the color correcting concealer properly on my face, and now I will use a bit of skin tint on the areas where I did not use color correcting concealer. So like my nose and a little bit on my chin. My face is looking glowy due to the skin tint. Now I will quickly do my brows. So one of my followers on Instagram commented on my post. She wants my eyebrow tutorial, and I just don't know how to do it because I literally have the most simple eyebrow routine to exist. Like I use only one eyeshadow, angle brush, dark brown eyeshadow, and a concealer. That's it. Final base product before powder, my highlighting concealer. My favorite Milani concealer is on her last days now, and I will repurchase it very soon. I'm not really a vlogging person. I have thought about it a lot, like vlogging something when I go somewhere, but I just couldn't do it. Before I go in with all the powders, I will set my face with the Milani Make It Last. I don't have the time to let it dry, so I'm just pushing it on. Can you see the difference? The difference the powder can make. I just find it so satisfying. My favorite step in my whole makeup routine is making myself look like a bronzed goddess. I feel like I have found the hack to get the brightest pinky under eye. Like instead of just use lots of powder and like pink concealers, I can just literally do it. I won't suggest you guys doing this hack with a very matte and pigmented blush. This blush I'm using is kind of shimmery. It has lots of shimmers in it, so it's not like that pigmented. I put glue between two half lashes to make it this like cat eye kind of lash. I always apply something, even a little bronzer on my lower lash line, but today I don't feel like applying anything. I just want to leave it like this. Guys, I uploaded my whole lip combo tutorial on my Instagram reels and also on my YouTube shorts. So if you want to know how I created this rose petals lips, it's literally giving rose petals, check out my Instagram or YouTube shorts. And now my makeup is complete, as you guys can see, and I will do some finishing touches. Hi guys, it's my friend Raita. We are so excited to visit this new Italian place. We had this gorgeous pizza of which I forgot to take videos of, and these are our desserts. My friend Raita was obsessed with the tiramisu. I had tres leches cake. I liked it but not too much. The pizza was definitely the star of the show, and here I am showing you guys my full outfit. So that completes this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Thanks for watching.